Welcome to Cairo, Egypt, the mother of the world, a city where 5,000 years of history live in every stone and street corner. Today, we begin our three-part walking tour, starting with the iconic wonders that have defined this horizon for millennia. Our journey begins on the western outskirts, at the Giza Plateau, home to the only surviving wonder of the ancient world. This is the Great Pyramid of Khufu, completed over 4,500 years ago. It was the tallest man-made structure on Earth for nearly 4 millennia. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Standing guard over this necropolis is the Great Sphinx, a monolithic guardian with the body of a lion and the face of a pharaoh. It is a symbol of strength and wisdom that has watched the sands shift and civilizations rise and fall for thousands of years. Contrary to popular belief, these weren't built by slaves, but by a highly organized workforce of skilled laborers who lived in nearby villages. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Leaving the ancient necropolis behind, we head toward the heart of medieval Cairo to the Salah el-Din Citadel. For nearly 700 years, this fortress served as the seat of government, protecting the city from invaders. Its most iconic landmark is the Alabaster Mosque, commissioned in the 19th century and modeled after the Grand Mosques of Istanbul. Inside, the light filters through over 100 stained glass windows, creating an atmosphere of profound peace and grandeur. From this terrace, you get a bird's-eye view of old Cairo. On a clear day, you can even see the pyramids we just visited on the horizon. Descending from the hills, we enter Islamic Cairo and Al-Muiz Street, often called an open-air museum of medieval architecture. This is Khan el-Khalili, one of the oldest continuously operating markets in the world, established in the 14th century. It is a sensory explosion of spices, perfumes, and artisan crafts that has welcomed merchants for centuries. Take a seat at El Fishawi, the Cafe of Mirrors, which has been serving tea and inspiration to writers and travelers since 1773. As the day cools, we find ourselves by the Nile, the lifeline of Egypt that flows through the very heart of the city. On Zamalek Island, the Cairo Tower offers a modern contrast to the ancient stones we've walked among today. The Corniche is the social pulse of the city at night, where locals and visitors alike come to breathe in the cool river breeze. The story of Cairo is still being written. The new Grand Egyptian Museum now houses the complete treasures of Tutankhamun. And in places like Al-Azhar Park, what was once a wasteland is now a green oasis offering the best views of the city's historical layers. Our first day in Cairo comes to an end, but our journey is just beginning. Join us in part 2 as we explore the hidden gems of the city. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.